Oil prices are now in a slower uptrend than a few days ago. Crude is on the way to the 10-year high. To extend growth, some serious reasons are needed. The ECB meeting may well become such a driver. Indeed, should the regulator announce the timing of a rate hike, the euro will surge against the dollar, which in its turn will tumble versus the basket of all currencies. There is an inverse correlation between the dollar and the euro. When one of these instruments rises, the other one falls. So crude may well attempt to reach the mark of $125 per barrel. Let's now take a closer look at charts. After a brief sideways move near the level of 120, Brent futures are on the rise again. Quotes have approached the swing low recorded on May 23 and the bullish bias has increased. The 40-yearly high may well be updated should the price consolidate above the mark of 124 for a long time. Yesterday, gold attempted to hit the level of 1,860 if they quickly got back to 1,850. A lot will now depend on the outcome of the ECB meeting. Should the greenback fall, almost all other instruments will go up, including safe havens. The dollar is also a safe haven asset. Nevertheless, wherever it descends, financial flows are partly redirected to other safe haven assets. In other words, we may see precious metal rising to $1,860. Meanwhile, the Russian ruble dropped below the mark of 60 versus the dollar yesterday. The price broke through the lower limit of the sideways range of 60 and 63 after they've been at the 7 sessions. Consequently, the volume of short positions grew. In spite of increased bearish bias, the ruble is now heavily overbought, which may result in a shift in market sentiment. Meanwhile, inflation in Russia slowed to 17.1 versus 17.8%, below the market expectations of 17.3. Tomorrow, the Bank of Russia is expected to decrease the benchmark rate to 9%. The stronger ruble is more likely to harm the Russian economy, so monetary authorities are tirelessly taking various steps to make the currency weaker, including easing monetary policy. Therefore, the dollar will at least return to the level of 61 against the ruble and even go above it. So that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.